हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे A for apple, B for ball, say B for ball, and banana, C for cat, meow meow, D for dogs, dog say bhaw bhaw, E for eagle, say eagle, F for fish, say Z for giraffe, Z for giraffe, H for hat, yay! I for insect, say J for joker, ha ha ha, K for kite, say K for kite, L for lemon, say lemon, M for mango, say M for mango, N for notebook, say notebook, O for owl, say O for owl, P for pet, say pet, Q for quiet, say Q for quiet, R for ring, say R for ring, S for swan, say swan, T for train, chuk chuk chuk, T for train, U for umbrella, say umbrella, V for van, say W for wheel, say W for wheel, X for Xmas tree, say Y for yo-yo, say Z for zoo, say subscribe.